Hello, I'm Fontani the Scar Ghost. Today I'm happy to be with you to test Chooch.ai. It is a system that lets you analyze your environment, your surroundings. So how does it work? You have your phone in your hand. It is an app that runs on your phone. And you just look around. It sees through the camera of the phone, both the back or the front camera. And thanks to AI, machine learning, and all this cool stuff, it analyzes what you have around and try to understand what are the objects that are in image frames. So I was very intrigued by it when I saw the video shared by Robert Scoble, the very famous journalist on Twitter, about this product, and I wanted to try it myself here in the office. So let's discover with me how does it work well, and if it is suitable, for instance, for some AR applications, so you can understand what is an environment and get some augmentations depending on what you have here around. So discover this little test of 2 minutes of Chooch.ai with me. So let's see, I'm looking at my floor. It is detecting it is a floor in this parquet. That's fantastic. Now I'm going up in this conference room and I see that there is an RQ 170 Sentinel. If you don't know what it is like a war drone that I don't think that it is in this conference room. It's quite funny. So let's go ahead. So a table detected very well. Ottoman, I don't know what it is. Greyhound, mama. So there is a marmot. According to this application, these chairs are like mammals. Okay. But then waiting room can be actually, it can be a waiting room. May West Lip Sofa by Salvador Dali. I don't know. But swivel chair, furniture, as you can see, pretty correct. There is a slight delay. It detects the printer very well. There's a slight delay since when I frame something to when it gets actually recognized. But it's looking Bambi. Okay, so Bambi and the ear trumpet and an inbeat that is don't even know what it is. Only when there are two chairs. So it's funny. Furniture, chair detected very well. And yes, always Salvador Dali stuff. Very typical of this meeting room. And what else? Now I'm trying to frame a table. It detects it. It sees some people, but it detects it quite well. There is some office stuff. Not detected completely okay. But, you know, can be. And now I'm trying to look at the trash bin. Kinetic art, artistic style. I don't know if this is the right definition of a trash bin, but yeah, it can be, I guess. So furniture, beanbag, this doesn't get recognized well. So, but the radiator gets detected. So let me go on in my office with a modern minimalist interior design, of course. And window, it is actually a door, but more or less. Let's go in the lab. Let's frame a Oculus Quest. It doesn't see via headset, I see the cord. Let's try with a glass. No, but it gets a measuring cup, so more or less. Some chairs. Parquet floor, it's correct. Bell pepper, food, vegetable, no, it is not a vegetable. But then it gets surge protector, extension cord, and more or less it's what is actually framing. So returning here to this Pierre Cardin style, framing actually myself. So let's see what is it, a bird. I'm not a person, I'm a bird. I look happy, maybe younger than I am. Mustacchio looks like Pierluigi Gollini. This is the funniest stuff that the AI application has told me about being a mustachio, a bird, whatever. Experimental hairstyle. So I thought that I hadn't combed my hair, but actually I'm an experimental hairstyle. So next time someone will tell me, hey, your hair are terrible. No, I'm experimenting. So I looks also younger than me. I look happy. It's good that it can detect emotions. So happy, yeah, I can detect my mouth. Again, Pierluigi Gollini, oral cavity. The age is quite correct. So sometimes a bit older, sometimes a bit younger, but it's good. And Mustachio, Attilio, and lots of stuff. So while I say you goodbye, before telling you the final calculus stuff, just see more of these things. There's one fun stuff that I'm going to make you see now, and it is this fantastic last detection that is like I was just switch a camera here and is coupled by John DeAndrea, I don't know, kisser. So he saw my bird, understood that I'm very macho man and I'm a kisser, you know. It's the fascination of the VR developer. But then I also look like not only Pierluigi Gollini, but also Kazim Koyuncu and Yashar Kurt. I didn't know that. Thanks Chooch.ai to made me discover all of this. So this has been my test with Chooch.ai. Actually, I tried to make the video a bit fun because yeah, it's good to make fun of what machine learning algorithm detects on your environment. But actually, I think it's a quite good solution. You know, I tried it in cluttered environments. You can also go in the street as Robert Scoble has done. And you could see that it more or less is able to detect what you're looking at. So when I was looking at the chair, maybe it detects a swivel chair, with the table can thought about dining people at the table. With the power outlet, can see some cord and some converters. So more or less it can understand what it's going to see. It is not perfect. As you can see, there are some things that are pretty nonsense, like the attacks Wardron in a meeting room. But I guess that you can filter the result. So while you try it, you can detect if some things are detected every frame. You can detect the context and so understand if you're in a meeting room, a drone or Bambi, of course not real. So understanding the difficulty of the solution, thinking that it can be filtered by you, I think that Chooch.ai has some use. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's good. I had fun using it, and I think with some time, with more time to refine the solution, can be really useful. Smartphone application, especially with augmented reality. Imagine having a glass that can detect what you have around and take some actions depending on it. Chooch.ai, if you want to try it as a free demo, you can download the app on the iOS Store, on the Google Play Store. It has also API for Android and Apple. It is a paid solution. There is an SDK. All this stuff you can find on the website, Chooch.ai. I think that you suggest you to try it as well and see if it can fit your solution. Personally, I will consider it for my consultancy job, for some customers that may need AR applications that should be aware of the surroundings. I also appreciated that it's quite fast, so not as fast as that it understands immediately what it says. Maybe it has 1 second delay, but I think it's good. So that's it for this video. I hope you had fun with me and also discovered something interesting. If it is the case, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And also every donation in Patreon is very appreciated, so I can continue doing this job. So I really thank you for watching me, and have fun with augmented reality and artificial intelligence. Goodbye.